Robert Scott adds 2 new AI-powered robots to its Cobotics range.
Hey guys, remember to head below to like, comment and subscribe for all the latest on our videos.
Robert Scott has introduced the MT1 Vac and the MT1 Max, designed to enhance industrial and commercial cleaning through AI integration. The MT1 Vac model features industrial-grade suction with a dual independent air duct system that increases suction efficiency by up to 200%. It uses AI-powered floor recognition to automatically adjust suction and brush speeds when moving between carpets and hard floors. To prevent secondary pollution, it utilizes a HEPA-grade system that captures over 98% of particles as small as 0.3 micrometers, with an optional HEPA 13 upgrade. It is the first vacuuming robot for large environments to use a VISLM, Visual Simultaneous Localization and Mapping system, for superior navigation in dynamic spaces. The MT1 Vac is built for long-duration tasks with a 6-litre trash bin and a 55cm wide suction path to maximize area coverage. Building on the MT1 platform, the MT1 Max version is designed for both indoor and semi-outdoor environments like warehouses and car parks. The MT1 Max is equipped with 3D LiDAR and dual SOCS system on a chip, providing higher computing power for complex obstacle handling. The MT1 Max model features a multi-dimensional safety system, including slope climbing, rain avoidance, and proactive visual/audible alerts. Both robots feature modular, tool-free components to minimize downtime and simplify the replacement of parts. Alistair Scott, sales director at Robert Scott, says, "Never underestimate the pure theatre of cobotics when the machines look so good. As automation, AI and the Internet of Things continue to evolve at a rapid pace, it's clear that robotics will play a key role in the future of commercial cleaning." To read more, read the full article in our Workplace Services category. Read more at TWinFM.com.